Yes, we're talking about triggered activity as a cause of cardiac arrhythmias, okay? And the type of cardiac arrhythmias that triggered activity causes is mostly the tachyarrhythmias, or you could call it what tachycardia, all right? Tachyarrhythmias, okay? So actually, I was supposed to name this lecture as well, triggered activity as a cause of what cardiac tachyarrhythmias, because mostly if there's a triggered activity, there will be what two fast heartbeats. Okay, so moving now, what is triggered activity? Triggered activity from my own understanding as a student is okay. Triggered activity, there's a depolarization. Okay, then after the depolarization, it's supposed to calm down, but this depolarization what actually comes back again. All right, so that means the activity is triggered, it is continuous. Do you understand? So triggered activity is a term used to describe impulse initiation in a cardiac fiber that is dependent on what after depolarization. Okay, so after depolarization, the heart is supposed to rest for a while, but in triggered activity, the heart is not resting at all. Okay, there's a continuous, it's just like a cycle. Okay, so after depolarizations are what oscillations in the membrane potential that follow the upstroke of an action potential. Okay, so you could see this early after depolarization, you could see delayed after depolarization. So triggered activity should be due to what this early after depolarization, all right, like it's continuous. Okay, it's continuous. Triggered activity, this condition occurs when and after depolarization leads to further action potential. Like I told you guys, after depolarization the heart is supposed to rest. Okay, rest for a while, but for this one now, after the depolarization, it is still leading to another action potential. So the whole thing is just like a cycle. Okay, the heart is having no rest at all. So after depolarization refers to what secondary depolarizations that follow an action potential and maybe early or delayed. Okay, so early after depolarization develops prior to what full repolarization of the cardiac muscle cell, and it's usually what phase 3 of what the action potential. Now delayed after depolarization on the other hand occurs post full repolarization of the what cell membrane. Okay, so delay after depolarization occurs after there's what full repolarization. Okay, that's after full repolarization, while early after depolarization occurs after prior to full repolarization. That means it occurs like before the full repolarization. Okay, so this is triggered activity, and basically triggered activity is when and after depolarization leads to another action potential. Okay, and this can cause what tachycardia, or what is known as what tachyarrhythmias. Okay, so that's it about triggered activity. I'll be see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.